Today, we've got something incredibly exciting that could revolutionize the way you interact with resumes. We're taking a deep dive into Wikivec.com, a platform that's breaking all the boundaries by allowing you to chat with any data. Yes, you heard that right. Any data. Resumes, research papers, contracts, you name it. Today, we're going to use the newly added tool, the AI Resume Generator. Let's get started. After creating my biography, I saved it as a PDF using Canva. You also have the flexibility to pull data directly from your website or even from YouTube videos, so you've got plenty of options. Returning to Wikivec, I click on the Create button. I'm going to upload my biography as a PDF, but you have the freedom to upload it in any format you'd like. The platform asks me a few questions about the document. Fill them out as you see fit, and then I click on the Upload PDF button to upload my biography. You have the option to share the document privately if you'd like, but generally, since you'll be sharing it with others, make sure the document you upload doesn't contain any sensitive information. Yes, we've uploaded our document, and you can find it in the GPT section. Now let's chat with this document. This way, people who want to know about you can ask questions to the document instead of reading it line by line to gather information. Wikivec allows you to interact with any data you have. It's not just limited to resumes or biographies. The possibilities are virtually endless. I'll demonstrate how to use Wikivec's AI-powered tool to generate a resume from the biography we've just uploaded. It's an incredibly efficient and smart way to create your resume. First, to create a resume, we'll select the biography we've uploaded. Right below that, you can also choose the language in which the resume will be generated. It's a straightforward yet effective tool. New AI tools are frequently added to Wikivec by the user community. You can easily create your own tools and earn Wiki tokens as donations. Alright, our resume has been generated. You can download it as a PDF if you wish and make any necessary adjustments. This is just one of the many tools available on Wikivec. I'm developing Wikivec on my own, but its growth is made possible thanks to our community. Additionally, you can join the Discord group linked in the description to contribute to the platform's development. And see you in future videos. Goodbye.